The Rolls-Royce Noire Droptail is a bespoke automotive masterpiece that epitomizes luxury, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. Inspired by the enigmatic beauty of the Black Baccara rose, this vehicle is not just a means of transportation, it's a rolling work of art that represents the pinnacle of personalized luxury. Design and inspiration. The Noire Droptail's design is a romantic expression of darkness and drama, drawing its essence from the allure of the Black Baccara rose. The vehicle's exterior is a canvas for a unique color palette, with the primary shades named True Love and Mystery. True Love is a rich red that reflects the romance the client wished to capture, while Mystery is a darker tone that changes perception when viewed from different angles. 12. Craftsmanship and customization. The Droptail showcases the most complex expression of parquetry in Rolls-Royce's history, with 1,603 wood pieces meticulously hand-finished and placed over a nearly 2-year period. This level of detail is a testament to the brand's commitment to craftsmanship performance and engineering. While the specifics of the Noire Droptail's performance are as exclusive as the car itself, one can expect nothing less than the exceptional engineering synonymous with Rolls-Royce. The powertrain and chassis are likely engineered to deliver a smooth, powerful, and serene driving experience. Exclusivity and luxury. The Noire Droptail is a coach-built car, meaning it is a one-of-a-kind creation tailored to the desires of a specific client. This level of customization extends to every aspect of the vehicle, from its design to its features, ensuring that no two Droptails will ever be the same. The client's vision. The commissioning family's vision for the Noire Droptail was to encapsulate significant moments and cherished objects in a vehicle that is as much a personal statement as it is a mode of transport. The result is a car that is not only a luxurious possession, but also a narrative of the family's experiences and tastes. 1. Conclusion. The Rolls-Royce Noire Droptail is more than just a car. It's a symbol of opulence, a bespoke creation that transcends traditional automotive design. It's a testament to the possibilities that open up when imagination meets the finest materials, unparalleled craftsmanship, and a deep understanding of a client's most profound aspirations. For a detailed exploration of the Rolls-Royce Noire Droptail, including its conception, design journey, and the intricate details that make it a one-of-a-kind vehicle, one would need to delve into the stories of its creation, the artisans who brought it to life, and the family whose vision it represents. Each element of the Droptail tells a story, from the handcrafted wood inlays to the custom paint that shifts in the light, all culminating in a vehicle that is as unique as the rose that inspired it.